It's patio season, and I'm giving our back patio some much needed color in partnership with Wayfair. Our back patio is our entertaining hub for gatherings, but we have to take care of a few daunting tasks of cleaning and freshening up some things like our outdoor dining table. The Florida sun is a no joke, so instead of getting rid of my table, I'm going to give it a refresh. First, let's give it a good wash. Although this table looked like it's wood, but it's actually not, it's metal, and I'm using the recommended paint for this table. I love this table so much, it seats 8 or more, it's heavy, it's very well made, and I got it for a great price years ago from Habitat for Humanity. Our teak outdoor set we had for a few years, and it's by Outer. It has been holding up so well. My favorite feature about this set is the built-in seat covers for when you're not using it. It really helps to keep the dust off my cushions. This 7 by 11 outdoor rug really invites you into the space. The quality is amazing, you guys, and it's very durable, it's kid and pet friendly, and it does not shed, and it's easy to clean. This collection is available in 15 sizes and 8 unique designs. I'll be sure to leave a clickable link if you wish to purchase. This black and gold metal planter caught my eye, and it's from Walmart. Wasn't crazy about the black, but I saw its potential for the look I was going for, so I painted it white. And I'm adding these hydrangeas. I know they are fake, but I know me, I will forget to water. I'm adding a pop of color by adding one of my faux trees using one of my favorite flea market finds I got years ago. This vessel is from Ballard Designs. It's the perfect accent to use in your entryway or front or even your back porch. The base of my small tree isn't heavy enough to stand up straight. It wobbles. To fix that, I'm using this cardboard box to stabilize it. Flip the vase over and trace it, then cut the slit to get the tree in to keep it upright. Before adding the top, I'm using the leftover pieces from the box for support. Add some moss to cover up the cardboard. One and done. Here's another little hack, you guys, that is so simple to do. I got this candle holder from At Home Stores, 50% off, and I thought it would be nice to add these disc lights that fit perfectly on top. Again, wasn't crazy about the black, so I used some good old rub and buff to match the candle holder. It's not perfect, but it's close enough. This 2-in-1 chill table is not only pretty, but it doubles as a cooler. I love double duty decor that's practical and functional, and it's easy to clean, but best of all, it's easy to open without taking off your drink or any decor. Adding a little texture with this rustic pillow cover with premium design textured linen edges adds that perfect touch of vintage style to your space. This picnic basket will take your next get-together to the next level. This is such a beautiful basket. It has a beautiful canvas wood frame and has everything you'll need for an upscale picnic. Real utensils and plates, corkscrew, and of course wine glasses. They're plastic, but you can add glass if you like, and it's fully lined in this nautical-inspired fabric. Chef's kiss. An organized camper is a happy camper. This pale light design organizational caddy separates dry and wet items. It's constructed with leak-proof and high-density foam to keep your items cool and dry. You want fresh ice on the go? No problem. It's designed to be nested inside the keeper, so you will have ice all day. There's no limit on how you can organize your goodies, everything from cups, utensils, cheese and crackers, and of course, everything to make a martini. If there's one thing I'm going to do, I'm going to shop off season and use those items for the upcoming season. I scored these Tommy Bahama outdoor cushions from HomeGoods 2 summers ago. Hurricane season was in full effect, so I didn't get a chance to use them. A set of 6 for $55. I always like to use different cushions at the head of the table, and I got these 2 for $24. Give your guests a variety of choice to add to their drinks with this acrylic 5-compartment ice chill tray. It's perfect for any event. Fill the bottom tray with ice, then add your favorite garnishes. Use the upper food tray for anything on a salad, fruit bar, or a pizza topping or ice cream station. The clear acrylic protects the garnishes and allows condiments to stay visible for refilling. Add a simple and elegant fire pit with no ash, no smoke. You can put it anywhere, perfect for your patio, living room, dining room. You can even use it while you're camping. This scallop woven tray I've been eyeballing for a while, but I did not want to pay what Crate and Barrel wanted it for. $60? No thank you. I got mine from HomeGoods on clearance for $24. It's almost 4 feet long, you guys. It's perfect to corral napkins, silverware, plates, but I do recommend that you use it indoors. But if you use it outside, be sure it's under a covered porch. If you're new here, welcome! I see a lot of new faces and I'm so excited that you are here. If you have not already subscribed to our travel channel at Glamping with the Coopers, we would love to have you. Over there, we share how we travel without sacrificing the comfort of home. And up now, I have a fridge organization video loaded with tips that you can use in your very own fridge at home. Link in my bio. Hope to see you over there, and I want to thank you all for watching.